Step 1. Gently lay your CPU holder over your CPU. Fasten the straps and pull tight until the holder is firmly attached to the CPU. Step 2. Take the lip extension legs and slot them into the bracket. Turn it upside down and fasten the two securing screws. Step 3. This is an important point for all CPU holders with a swivel bracket mechanism. When marking the bracket, always remember to leave enough space for the CPU to be able to rotate. Now on with step 3. Measure the relationship and distances between the 4 screw holes. Transfer the measurements to the underside of your work desk. You're now ready to drill small pilot holes. Step 4. Using the screws provided, attach the bracket in position. All that's left now is to slide in your CPU.